Hi, I'm Dean Johnson of Johnson Matthews Limited. Welcome to Excel Tips number 6. This lesson is a very short one on merging cells, and the reason it's so short is that my advice is, don't do it. In the vast majority of cases, it causes more problems than it solves, and there's a smarter alternative that can usually be used. Here's an example of a spreadsheet with two heading rows. The first row has values in columns B and C, and the second heading row has a single value in column B, which you might want centered across both columns. Now I can select the cell containing the heading text in B4 and the other cell or cells that I want to center the heading over, in this case C4. On the Home tab of the ribbon, under the Alignment section, I can click the Merge and Center option, which will merge the two or more cells into one and center the text across them. So far, so good. The problem arises when you want to select the values in a single column. For example, if you want to select the cells B3 to B16 in this case, you're out of luck. Watch what happens when I try to select those cells. As soon as I get past the merge cell, the selection expands to both of the columns the cell is merged across. This can be a real nuisance. An alternative way to select the cells is to click on the first cell and then hold down the Shift key and click on the last cell, but the result is the same. Given that by far the majority of the times when cells are being merged it is for the purposes of centering a heading, as in this case, there is a smarter alternative. First, I will demerge the cells by selecting them and clicking the Merge and Center button again. Next, with both cells B4 and C4 selected, I will open the Other Alignment options by clicking on this tiny drop-down arrow at the bottom right of the Alignment section. Then select Center Across Selection from the horizontal drop-down dialog box and click OK. Now you can see that the visual effect is similar in that the heading is centered across two columns and could be across any number of columns, but the cells and column integrity is preserved. Now you can see that if I select just cell B4, that contains the text merge cell heading, but if I select cell C4, that's actually empty. So now I can select a range of cells without the problems that arise with merge cells. For example, here I can select cell B3 through to B16. Merging cells can also cause problems with sorting data, formulae and formatting. My recommendation is to avoid it if at all possible. I'm Dean Johnson of Johnson Matthews Limited, and this was Excel Tips number 6. Thanks for watching.